Alright guys, today is Luisa's birthday.
Hello.
Happy birthday, Luisa.
Thank you.
And guess what? She's cooking me breakfast on her birthday.
Yeah.
That's because she'll throw me out of her kitchen if I try to cook. But anyways, check out this bacon. We bought this bacon up at S&R. S&R is a grocery store, a store here up in Daewoo. And they had this bacon. What is it? Black Label?
Black Label.
Black Label bacon.
Yeah.
So I'm trying out this bacon here. I'm very picky when it comes to bacon. And finding really good bacon in the Philippines is hard to do. But anyways, we've been up to the church already. Luisa said her prayers, as you guys already seen. Better get out of her way. And yeah, we've been up to the church, and Luisa said her prayers this morning, and that's pretty common with Filipinos. On their birthday, they tend to go to the church and say prayers. But anyways, Hannah Grace is at school, and I gotta get to the mall. I gotta pick up her present.
Wow, a present.
Yes, you have a present. Oh my God.
Can I know what is there?
You want to know what it is?
Yeah.
Nah, I can't tell you. But you can open it later. So, but anyways, today's Lut's birthday. Breakfast is served. 2 eggs over medium, crispy bacon, toast, and a banana. All right, time to try the bacon. It's good. Didn't shrink up, didn't shrivel. Got a good taste to it. Thumbs up on the bacon. Alright, back at SM Mall to pick up a birthday present and pick up a cake. I know, back at SM Mall again. Could have got it yesterday, but I didn't have enough time, so time to get a birthday present. I guess you guys might be asking, what am I getting her for her birthday? But you know what? You're going to have to wait like she's going to have to wait. And you guys will get to see it when she opens it up. Alright, now it's on the gift wrapping section. Alright, gift wrap. Off to get the cake now. Alright. Cake, check. Candle, check. Gift, check. Gift wrap, check. Time to go home. One, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ring the bell. Yay! Uh-oh, I guess it's present time. Now go.
Which one I'm going to do first?
No!
Papa! Yours. Okay, I'm going to do first.
Hannah Grace.
Hannah Grace. Let's see what... No!
Oh, hey, that's Mama.
Because it's my birthday. Okay. Don't be excited, okay? Let's see.
Wow!
It's
What is
a
it?
teddy bear with a perfume on it.
Wow,
See
very
that?
nice, Hannah Grace.
Can I open?
Yes.
See the perfume? Does it smells good? Smells good. Wow, look at that. Thank you. I need to put this one over her.
Smell, Ma.
But,
Smell.
oh, you see the sauce. Then Papa. Let's see what's Papa. Oh, Papa's so hard.
Did I do a good job wrapping that?
Yeah, I think you're not the one who wrapped this. Believe me. The one who wrapped this is very professional. They wrap very good.
Baka nakarap na yun agad eh. Pinatingin lang naman.
No, it's you, Papa, give it to me.
Wala.
Oh, wait. My
Rip it open.
Di ba tama yung hula ko?
Oh, Samsung Galaxy.
Tama yung hula ko, Ma. Sabihin mo kay Papa, Ma.
Oh, Hannah Grace guess is right.
You guess that? Yeah.
It's hard.
What did you guess?
Wow!
Ma, parehas kayo. Ay, akala ko parehas kayo.
Oh, look! I have a new one. Samsung Galaxy 7.
Yeah, your phone was taking a crap for sure, right?
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh my goodness.
This is a cover.
No.
Ayan, may charger ka na nga. Okay.
I have a charger. What's this?
Headset.
A headset.
All right, so yeah, we decided not to go with a big birthday party today. Kind of keeping it a little simple, you know, not doing the videoke and all the cooking and everything like that. So yeah, we decided to come up here and have some sushi this evening. The place is called, it's a Japanese restaurant. It's called Yufu Inn. That's the name of it. Kim recommended, and we're gonna have some sushi tonight.
May Coke kayo? Coke regular.
Order po nila 1 torimo chicken leg sauce, 1 kimchi, 1 ebi tempura, 1 uzuro bacon sauce, 1 torikawa sauce, 1 spicy tonamaki, 1 seafood teppanyaki set, 1 plain rice for your drinks, 2 iced tea, and 1
Is it good? I thought it was good. A little spicy.
You want to try?
No, I have some.
Oh. I don't have any idea what is this.
I don't know what that is either. It's good. So we ordered some kimchi. Hannah Grace, that's the first time she had kimchi, right? Boy, look at that face. She's not enjoying that. That's like a seafood mix. It's shrimp, clam, and shrimp tempura, and dipping sauce. Oh, you want the kimchi?
Yeah, can I have it? Thank you.
That kimchi is good.
Yeah, it is.
We're gonna feast. So this is steamed egg. Never had it before. That's different. And this is what? What do we have here, Len? What is this? Chicken skin. And chicken legs. Oh, that's the chicken legs. Okay. Chicken skin and chicken legs. Ordered so much food, we don't know how to just keeps coming out. You guys check that out. Spicy tuna roll. Very nice. How is it so far? Excellent? Very good. Hannah Grace, you enjoying? Very good? I'm gonna quit showing you guys this food here. I'm gonna start eating, but let me do a quick pan around one more time. Show you all this food we got here. That's a lot of food, but you know what? Luke's birthday. We're having a feast. So, I'm digging in. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for the evening. What do you got to say, Luke? It's your birthday? Anything you got to say?
I don't know. I just like to, I already get my wish today. And also thank you for treating me in this nice restaurant. The food is so excellent except one thing. I'm not really impressed with the sushi.
I liked the sushi. I thought it was very good. But anyways, until next time.
Oh my God, she's so heavy. Hey guys, I want to thank everybody who's going to wish on my birthday. Thank you so much.